Thousands of buildings in Europe have been previously built with curtain walls, and many of them are now 30 to 50 years old. The curtain wall technology of that time would be regarded as significantly substandard today. Eensulate has developed an affordable and lightweight solution for envelope insulation to bring existing curtain wall buildings to nearly zero energy standard, while complying with the structural limits of the original building structure and national building codes. Eensulate is a cooperative project supported by the European Commission. The project started in August 2016 with a duration of 58 months. The budget of 6.6 million euros was distributed between 13 partners.
The overall aim of the Eensulate project is to help the transition towards a more energy-efficient building stock. To do so, the project has developed some insulating technologies to be used both on existing and new construction buildings. Specifically, Eensulate developed two families of insulating components. An highly insulating, environmental friendly and fire retardant foam to be used for the manufacturing and insulation of the spandrel, which is the opaque part of the curtain wall facade modules, and the vacuum insulated glass, a VIG.
Eensulate Façade is a prefabricated facade solution which integrates the innovative technologies developed with the Eensulate project. We are speaking about the integration of the vacuum insulated glass and a fire resistance foam.
Oggi SAES ha sviluppato un sigillante polimerico con proprietà barriera ai gas atmosferici molto superiore rispetto ai polimeri commerciali. Questo nuovo sigillante a matrice epossidica semplifica la produzione dei VIG, abbassando notevolmente la temperatura di processo.
The innovative process allowed us to achieve the lowest possible U value for VIG while retaining the structural integrity of the glazing for safety purposes.
First of all, we tested the single components, so the foam and the VIG, and then we carried out fire, acoustic and performance test on a mock-up of the overall facade module. All the tests were successfully passed, and in particular concerning the transmittance of the VIG, we obtained the value of 0.44 watt per square meter per Kelvin, which is way lower with respect to commercial products.
Demonstration buildings were located in two different climates. In Italy and in Poland, the focus was placed on the thermoacoustic behavior of the demo buildings and indoor comfort where various parameters were monitored. The first demo is a public school that resides in a curtain wall building in Jeżanów, Poland. The renovation intervention consisted of the full substitution of one curtain wall facade, including frame, of the school building. The aim was to enhance the building profile to zero energy, in line with EU and national targets for public buildings. The second demo is a museum in Jeżanów, Poland. The intervention and the implementation of Eensulate glass based on vacuum insulated glass technology were done in a selected number of museum windows. Being a historical building, renovation works are always subject to restrictions to preserve its artistic value. For this reason, the implementation of vacuum-insulated glass directly in the original windows minimized the impact of the intervention and increased the insulation capacity. The third demonstration site is a public library in San Giovanni, Italy. The library is an example of a place where historical and contemporary architecture elements coexist. The building acted as a demo for testing Eensulate glass in one door window. The simple substitution of the glass part of the door window with a high insulating vacuum insulated glass increase the thermal insulation of the window system.
A phase of scale up will be needed after the end of the project. Scale up of the production process, but we expect that the module will be available on the market in 2 years after the end of the project. The impacts that we expect to obtain with the application of Eensulate technologies are, of course, an improvement of the insulation properties at component level, and these result in a reduction of the energy spent during the building life cycle. An improvement of durability and service life at component level, and an easier implementation.
For more information, visit the Eensulate website and follow the project's latest news on all social platforms.